Welcome to my Fakeaway series where I'm going to show you how to make your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're making a Mackie D's classic. The full recipe is over on my website, check out the caption below. The chicken sandwich has always been one of my favourites and it's so easy to make your own. So start by seasoning up some finely chopped chicken with some garlic and onion granules and a little bit of salt and pepper. Shape into patties, then freeze for around 40 minutes. This will make them much easier to handle before you coat them first in seasoned flour, then egg, and finally some breadcrumbs. These can of course be done ahead of time and kept in the fridge until needed. Fry in some oil heated to 170 degrees for around 6 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches at least 75 degrees. Make sure to turn halfway through. These burgers can also be cooked in your air fryer, just check out the recipe for the details. Let's build the burger by spooning on a generous dollop of mayo, then the crispy chicken patty, some shredded lettuce, and finally the other half of the bun. What would you like to see me cook next in the Fakeaway series? Go check out my website. This was banging!